You're concerned about connecting smoke detectors to arc fault circuit interrupter or AFCI protected circuits is valid. It is important to consider the potential consequences. If an AFCI breaker trips due to a fault in the circuit, it will also cut power to the smoke detectors connected to that circuit. This could result in a loss of smoke detection capabilities, which could delay the detection of a fire and put occupants at risk. Many homeowners neglect to replace the batteries in their smoke detectors regularly. According to the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, smoke detectors should be replaced every 10 years and their batteries should be replaced every 6 months to 1 year. If the batteries are not replaced, the smoke detectors may not function properly when needed. To mitigate these risks, it is recommended to follow these best practices when wiring smoke detectors. Firstly, use dedicated circuits. Dedicate a separate circuit specifically for smoke detectors to avoid tripping the breaker due to other loads on the circuit. Secondly, use tamper-proof smoke detectors. These detectors have features that prevent tampering and ensure that the batteries cannot be easily removed. Thirdly, install interconnected smoke detectors. Interconnected smoke detectors are linked together so that if one detector detects smoke, all of the detectors will sound an alarm. This provides multiple layers of protection. Fourthly, educate homeowners. Inform homeowners about the importance of replacing smoke detector batteries regularly and provide them with information on how to test their detectors. It is possible for a loose connection or electrical fault to cause a small fire and trip an AFCI breaker. AFCI breakers are designed to prevent electrical fires. By following the best practices outlined above, you can help ensure that smoke detectors remain operational in the event of a power interruption.